What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Ollama with your Visual Studio Code and run any local models right within your Visual Studio Code. So the first thing that you need is the Ollama, of course. So to download the Ollama, you can come to ollama.com and you can copy this command right here. Simply copy it, go to your terminal and simply paste that command right here and hit enter. So this is going to download and install the Ollama for you. I just canceled it because it's already installed on my Mac. So let me clear this. After it's installed, you can simply do Ollama ls and see which models you have downloaded, which in your case would be none. So to download a model, you can go to this model section, and what you can do is you can choose any models from here. We have a lot of models that you can choose from here, like Gemma 4, Quinn 3.5. So let's choose the Gemma 4. So for example, if you want to use this Gemma 4 E2B, which will fairly run on any laptop, so simply copy that name of the model and go to the terminal again and say Ollama run and paste that model name right here, hit enter, and it's going to download this model for you. For me, you can see I already have this one downloaded, so it's simply going to run the model. Then I can simply say hi, and you can see it's thinking, and it came back with a response which is saying, hi, how can I help you today? So this is how you download the Ollama and how you download the model and run it. So let's just now say /buy to exit out of it and make sure the Ollama is running. So this is the Ollama desktop app. Make sure this is running. And what we will do is we will go to the settings here in the Ollama settings. And right here, we need to bump this context length at least up to 64K. So make sure this thing is changed. And once this is done, close it. Now we'll go back to our Visual Studio Code, and here we need one extension. So go to the extensions tab and search for this continue. So search for it, and this one from the continue.dev, install it. After this is installed, close the extensions tab, and you will see, if you don't see it here in the icons, you can click on these three dots and search for the continue. Right here it is, click on it, and you should see an icon like this. This is the continue extension. So I already was working with it, so let me just close it up. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to click here where it lists the models, and I'm going to click on this add a chat model. And from here, you can see we have a lot of providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, Ollama, OpenRouter. So we will simply use the Ollama, and we will keep the auto detect as it is and click on connect. Now you can see it added the Ollama in this config file, and if I go to this drop down now, you can see all the models that were listed out here are now also being listed out in our Visual Studio Code. And let's just choose the Gemma 4 12B MLX. So I'm just going to ask it create a C++ file, and you can see it's telling me now I need some more information before I can create a C++ file for you. Could you please tell me what should be the file name? Let's say main.cpp, and it should print prime numbers. And you can see it's now telling me I will create a main.cpp file that prints all prime numbers up to a specified limit, example 100, and it's generating the code. It is done with generating the code, and now it's saying I'll go ahead and create the file now. Click on accept. You can see this is the code that it generated, which is going to print out the prime numbers. Now you can use this for small tasks like generating a function, or for smaller things, or in cases where you don't have the internet connection and you'll have something is always better than nothing. So yeah, you can play around with this and get your job done. Of course, it can't compare with the frontier models like GPT 5.5 or Claude Opus. So yeah, it can't compete with those models. They are the frontier models, and for small tasks, it's pretty fine. So give it a try and let me know what you think about it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.